Ah, this is nice. Just so nice. Yeah, I wonder how's Rockstar Freddy? I don't know. Let's just continue watching Paddington. Yeah! Oh, aren't you just the cutest little thing? You just the cutest little thing I ever seen. Aw, you're in the way. I don't care. Get out the way or I'll annihilate you for it. Wow, I didn't know a hippo can be that intimidating. Us hippos are the cause of deaths of humans a lot of times, in years, thousands, centuries, decades. You know what I mean? Yeah. Y'all crazy. Gah! Oh, oh my head. Oh. Sorry about the jump scare warning. There was no jump scare warning though. Sorry. I'm surprised no one likes Paddington 2. Yeah, same. It's a really good movie. Yeah, even the first one. Yeah, and the Adventures of Paddington. What? No. Well, I can't say I don't like it. I never seen it. Alright, let's start Uno. Alright. What? Ah! Okay. These... Oh, I believe you're supposed to... Perhaps we didn't shuffle. We don't care. A lot of people shuffled before us, so technically it is shuffled. You have a point. Okay. Let's just say the color is green. Why not white? They don't have white. You see, it has all the four colors. Okay. But the color's green. Who goes first? I believe you.
Harry, marmalade. Get it off! Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Oh, yeah. What is the matter with you? It's really not the
Thank goodness I have a card. Oh yeah, I have a green card. There you go.
Darling, is this about Tony? No!
Everything's about Tony. And the only reason no one's helping with your paper is because it's so lame.
Well, at least I'm not pretending to be someone I'm not. Nor am I. G-Man.
Let's see. Oh no, I only have blues. All I have are just blues. I'm screwed. Oh no, wait, I have a 1. I can change the color to blue. What you gonna do now, son? What do you do when the color change? Well, you go on with that color. Okay. Ooh, I have some nice cards. Oh wait, I got blue. All I have is blue. And no, they don't have the same cards. It's just ironic that I didn't shuffle before this started.